Did you know that your brain makes decisions before you even realize it? Sometimes you've already reached for that extra cookie before your conscious mind even knows what's happening. In his book, Behave, renowned scientist Robert Sapolsky takes us on an incredible journey to understand why we act the way we do. Behave is like a key that unlocks the secrets of our own minds. It explores the hidden forces that influence our decisions, from the genes we inherit to the environments we grow up in. As young people, you're at a crucial point in your lives where understanding these forces can make a real difference. So, buckle up and get ready for an eye-opening adventure as we delve into the fascinating world of human behavior. Imagine your brain as a time machine, constantly traveling through different time zones. One moment it's reacting instinctively, like when you pull your hand away from a hot stove. The next, it's carefully planning your future, like deciding what career path to pursue. Sapolsky reveals that our brains operate on multiple timescales, each influencing our behavior in unique ways. The deepest level, shaped by millions of years of evolution, governs our basic instincts for survival. Think about the fight-or-flight response. That's your ancient brain kicking in. Then there's the limbic system, responsible for emotions like love, fear, and anger. This part of the brain is constantly evaluating situations and triggering emotional responses. Finally, we have the most recently evolved part of the brain, the prefrontal cortex. This is the CEO of your brain, responsible for rational thought, planning, and decision-making. But here's the catch. These different parts of the brain don't always work in perfect harmony. By recognizing these different brain regions and how they influence your actions, you can start to make more conscious and informed choices. Have you ever wondered why you excel in certain areas while your best friend shines in others? Maybe you're a natural athlete while they're a gifted musician. This is where the age-old debate of nature versus nurture comes in. Sapolsky argues that it's not a matter of either or, but rather a complex interplay between our genes, nature, and our environment, nurture, that shapes who we are. Think of it like baking a cake. Genes provide the basic ingredients, while our environment, including our upbringing, culture, and experiences, determine how the cake ultimately turns out. Studies on twins separated at birth have provided fascinating insights into this interplay. Despite growing up in different environments, identical twins often share strikingly similar personality traits, suggesting a strong genetic influence. However, their values, beliefs, and life choices can differ dramatically, highlighting the significant role of environment. By surrounding ourselves with positive influences, seeking out new experiences, and actively working on our personal growth, we can influence the trajectory of our lives. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the content, hit like and subscribe for more insightful summaries. Let's face it, we live in a world often divided by differences. Whether it's based on race, religion, nationality, or even our favorite sports teams, these us versus them distinctions can lead to conflict and prejudice. Sapolsky delves into the evolutionary roots of this tribalism, explaining that our brains are wired to quickly categorize people into groups. While this instinct likely served a survival purpose in our evolutionary past, it can have detrimental consequences in today's world. However, there's hope. Sapolsky also highlights our remarkable capacity for empathy, compassion, and cooperation. He argues that understanding the biological underpinnings of both our tribalistic tendencies and our capacity for empathy is crucial for building a more just and compassionate world. So how do we bridge the divide? It starts with recognizing our shared humanity. When we take the time to connect with others, understand their perspectives, and challenge our own biases, we create the conditions for empathy and cooperation to flourish. Remember, we're all in this together. By embracing our shared humanity and striving to understand one another, we can overcome the us versus them mentality and create a more inclusive and harmonious world. One of the most empowering messages of Behave is the emphasis on the power of choice. While our biology and environment undoubtedly influence our behavior, Sapolsky reminds us that we are not slaves to our genes or our upbringing. We have the remarkable ability to make conscious choices that shape our lives and the world around us. Think about it. Every day you make countless decisions, from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. These choices, no matter how small they may seem, have the power to influence your thoughts, your actions, and ultimately, your future. By becoming more aware of the factors that influence your behavior, you can start to make more deliberate and conscious choices. By embracing the power of choice and making a conscious effort to align your actions with your values, you can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond yourself. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of Behave, we've uncovered the intricate workings of the human brain, explored the complex interplay of nature and nurture, and confronted the challenges of tribalism and prejudice. But most importantly, we've discovered the incredible power we each possess to shape our own behavior and create a better future. Behave is more than just a book. It's a call to action. It challenges us to question our assumptions, to embrace our shared humanity, and to use our understanding of human behavior to create a more just, compassionate, and peaceful world. So I urge you to take the next step on this incredible journey of self-discovery. Pick up a copy of Behave and delve deeper into the fascinating world of human behavior. The future is in your hands. What will you choose? We reached the end, but before you leave, let us know in the comments if you are going to read the book. Also join our community of passionate readers by simply subscribing to our channel, where your love for knowledge and great stories truly matters.